Hello guys, I've been out in YouTube for a long time, but I'm making a short videos, but I seem that people are watching it, so I decided to come back on YouTube. So right now I'm waiting for my friends who will visit here, and we got the mother of my friend is just come from the Philippines to visit her daughter. So right now I got some Filipino food for them. So I made some kutsinta, and then this one. Yan, may pritong, what is that? Gigi and egg roll. And of course, our munggo. And then our palabok. Then we got some, ito guys, nakaano pa siya igado. I got some igado. And then sisig. And then parang mechado siya. Anyway, and then rice. Ayan guys, tapos meron tayong nilagang baka. Ayan guys, hinihintay ko lang ang aking mga kaibigan. So guys, hinihintay ko lang ang aking mga kaibigan. And then, tapos, nakalak pala siya. Nakalak pala, tapos kakain na. At guys, dahil fall season, ayan, taglagas na, pero nilinis ni Javi yung yard namin.
People actually eat like only rice.
Only rice?
Yeah, if we
You want
will
some noodles?
permit.
Sige po ma'am, kain
Pero
na.
ang dati ayaw.
Wala lang.
Okay.
Ano po yung plates? Meron po, teka. Hi guys, so natapos na din yung party. Ayan. Ang bilis. Not actually party, they just visitors. So nakapaghugas na ako, nakalinis na lahat, and now nagpapahinga na. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Bye-bye. See you on next video.